Hi, good morning everyone. This is Said Reena and you're watching Expo Media. I'm here in the International Exhibition and Conference of Paint India 2025. Are you guys excited just like me? So come with me, I'll show what exactly the Paint India is, what the exhibition is, and what we are for here. Like, share, and subscribe. So we are in the exhibition hall and let's explore कि यहाँ पे कौन-कौन से brands हैं, what are the things. So come with me, I'll show you. So yes, guys, we have just visited right now the ICA Worldwide, and you have seen that how Mr. Pankaj introduced all the machines and everything, that how it works, how it is going to help to us and everything. So let's explore more something.
These are the various tools available for the production scale. The same machine, the tools available here for the small scale,
Okay.
and these are the bigger scale tools available.
Okay.
So as I told, the same lab to production scale. So these are the tools available. So we can use these for the production scale machines.
Okay. Is there anything practical which you are going right now? Can we do something right now? Is it possible to show something to our audience? Okay, let's go.
This is a small scale R&D scale machine basically for the study of the some small batches like 1 liter, 2 liter kind of thing. So here it's a 2 liter jacketed vessel where you can put your sample where what you want to basically homogenize it. And this is actually the rotor stator zone where you can have the homogenization. And again, this is the recirculation loop where you can recirculate the same product. The same machine we can have at the production scale also, so that you will get the same result at the R&D to production scale. So I will start the machine. So it will get again recirculation will be there. So your product will get homogenized here, and again it come back to the same vessel. So you can see, you can choose the what tool you want to be there. So there is a simple standalone machine. You can use it at the R&D lab.
What is the price of this machine, by the way?
Around 14 to 15 lakhs kind of thing.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So hi everyone, I have a great guest with me right now. So please may I know your names?
Albert Scrimger?
And yours?
Kevin Egan.
Okay, so for what purpose you guys are here and you guys are visiting, right? So please tell me for what purpose you're here and what makes you bring over here the exhibition.
Basically, we're here to look at the show, look at the vendors, and basically get ideas for new future projects.
Oh, that's great enough.
Yeah, similar thing. I mean, we want to see what's available in this part of the country. We have a research lab in Pune, so we're looking to get innovative products and bring them so we can test them out.
Equipment manufacturers we have here are top notch.
Okay.
They're showing new ideas of how to actually get the dry stuff into the wet stuff, and so we're doing pretty good.
Okay. So thank you so much, sir. But I just wanted to know what to tell. That you have to tell our customers and to our audience to like, share, and subscribe and to watch your YouTube. So can you please to say with me like, share, and subscribe a bit louder. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much, sir. Okay, so hi everyone. I'm with the Mr.
Dr. Deepak Walekar.
Okay, that's great. So we are here in the Vimal Intertrade Private Limited, and we'll have some interaction regarding it, that what exactly it is, what they serve, and how they can help to the customers. So please, sir, let me know what is exactly the Vimal Intertrade is actually, and what you kind of things you serve basically to the customers.
Yes, basically Vimal Intertrade is one of the specialty chemical distribution company. In specific to the paints and coating market, we do have the multiple products to cater to all these customers like big companies like Asian Paints, the newcomer is like Grasim Paints, Kansai Nerolac, Berger Paints, and there are more than 1,000 such paint formulators. So we have multiple products right from resin, curing agents, solvents, pigments. So whatever that all is needed for the making the paint, we have more than, I can say, 80% of the raw materials we do hold for all those paint formulators. And then with the collective basket of the products, we go to the each and every customer to actually serve their requirements.
Okay.
So now, well, we also work with the all multinational manufacturers who do have those kind of raw materials. Like all these big players, they cannot reach to the each and every customer or each and every formulator. So what we are the basically the very, I can say the golden bridge between the supplier and to the formulator. So we hold lot of those raw materials. We also support them to develop the new formulations, and accordingly we actually serve their each and every raw material requirements. So working with the big players and working with the small players, both has its own dynamics actually. It's always good to work with the big players, but they also like to work directly with the supplier. So sometimes in some juncture condition, they also would want to keep some of the stocks where they cannot import directly from US or Europe. So in that context, they get a lot of value working with us. On the second side, the small players where requirement is not that big quantities like a big player, so they might need a small quantities. So for that, they get lot of value working with us because behalf of them, we maintain lot of raw materials and then we supply their odd and small quantities. And that's the reason we have the multiple, I can say the mix basket of the customers as well, to mid tier, small tier to the big tier. So we do like to work with all these customers because working with the big players have a lot of innovation to do, and the small players also do innovation, but their basic things to cater their day-to-day raw material requirements. So we are into this business last 40 years, and we really enjoy working into paints coating segment. We also are very strong into other segments, but specific to Paint India, we have customers belonging to the paints, coating, and construction applications.
Okay. So last question I wanted to ask you: do you use any of the technology which is not used by any of the other companies, but you use that thing?
See, like we have developed one of the tailor-made, I can say, the customized app, mobile app.
Okay. Okay.
That app is loaded into each and every sales and marketing sales force of Vimal Intertrade.
Okay.
So whenever they are at the remote place, and suppose he is sitting next to the customer, and he want to see what all has been sold to that customer in last 2 years,
Okay.
he can open the app. He can show that this is all has been sold. This is the quantity. This is the price. And suppose he has to share some of the technical data sheets or the safety data sheets, he can very well download from that app, and then he can actually cater the customer needs. So not that every time he has to carry the laptop or he has to carry all those big folders or the brochures of the products. He can very well download from the app, and then he can support the customer.
I think that's a great option, by the way. So thank you so much, sir, for your bite and everything and information you just gave to our customer. I think it's going to be a very, workful for us. Thank you so much, sir.
Thanks for your opportunity. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
So what all this you will be using some?
So hi, Mr. Mukhil. So you are a visitor over here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so can you please tell me that for what purpose you are here in the exhibition of Paint India 2025, and what things attract you the most to come over here?
Actually, we are here come for to check the spray related items, but unfortunately we missed little bit of spray related paints. But I mostly we are looking for the pigments. So mostly they cover with the pigment item only. And I impressed with the testing equipments whatever we use in paint industries. So some of the painting equipments which we are seeing here, so it may be advanced from last paint expo last year. I went Paint Expo in Mumbai. So in that Mumbai, I missed some of the paint equipment which you are not seeing now. So it may be advanced for a crash test and adhesive test. So it may be impressed from the previous one.
So you are saying that it was missed in Mumbai, so you are seeing this in Delhi right now.
Yes, it was advanced to compare with last Paint Expo.
Okay. What things most you attract over here, like apart from pigments, anything else which attracted? Because that is your part, right? Apart from that, what attracts you the most?
Testing softwares. Testing software.
That's great.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
Any message you wanted to go to give to the audience, because tomorrow is also an exhibition, so you wanted to tell them they should visit and for what purpose they should visit and what they should visit actually, for what things actually.
actually, for painting purpose, I think lot of painting softwares we recently they launched. I think so. Last expo, I didn't see a lot of softwares. They have the equipments, but they don't have software for paints.
Okay.
But at the present time, I check a lot of software for paint testing methods. So that will maybe the useful to the all paint industries or the person who want to learn from the painting.
Thank you so much, sir, for your time and everything. Hello everyone, so this side Reena and I'm with Mr. Kamal right now, and he's from Jaipur. He's having a company like IML and they have lots of ways to do lots of things in the paints, like plastic things and the packaging work, right? You do. So I'll be asking you some questions, sir, and I just wanted to know what exactly these are and for what purpose you're here.
These are basically plastic packaging containers used for paint industries.
Okay.
Basically, we are doing in-mold labeling.
Okay,
This
okay.
is the latest technology that we have in India. A pre-printed label is affixed, molded in the container itself. It is fused while the container is manufactured.
Okay.
These labels are good for all applications,
Okay, okay.
and they won't fade up. They
Okay.
won't wipe off.
Leaking
Yeah,
is not
no,
there, right?
leakage issue will be not there.
Okay, okay. So can you please tell me each and every product? Can you please explain while going over there, sir? Please.
This is we are supplying to Birla White,
Okay, okay.
and this is with HTL labeling.
Okay, okay, okay.
And this is IML labeling. In IML, you can get H2H coverage.
Okay, okay.
Colors, you can go for multiple colors. This is basically for epoxy. In this
Okay.
also, you can go for multiple colors.
Okay,
You
okay.
get a good resolution, as clear as the 3D view or the image that you see in your desktop or laptop.
okay.
All colors you can get in multiple.
Okay. Sir, if anybody wants to contact you, how they will contact you?
We have our website in the name of IML Containers India Private Limited.
Okay.
IML Containers India at the rate Gmail, www.imlcontainersindia.com.
By the information we can put on description also, sir. I just wanted to ask you last question. This is your first like exhibition, or you have been to many exhibitions, sir?
No, for Paint India, we are participating second time.
Okay.
Earlier also we had participated.
So what is the experience and what is the response from the customer, sir?
Good, fine.
Okay. Sir, anything if you wanted to convey to any of the to any of the company, to the paint, what message you wanted to give to your customers or to your partners or to your competitors, sir?
You can get all the range products under our roof at economical prices.
Sir, any beneficial to purchase something from you instead of anybody else?
Quality.
That's more important, I think. So thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
I would love to tell check to all the products, and I wanted to show to my customers and to our expo media that what exactly we are having. Oh, yeah.
You can just go through our stall.
Sure. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So yes, guys, as you just checked it out right now, that I had a words with Mr. Kamal, and he explained us that how we can pack our paints and everything. So I think this is a very first stall which is having a packaging exhibition counter right now in Paint India 2025. So I think you should visit I-19, which is IML Containers, and you should get to know how paints are actually packed and which quality they used. So please check it out and do visit. side Reena. I'm from Expo Media. You are here the visitors.
Yes.
Okay. So what you bring the most over here? Why you are here for what purpose actually?
Basically, we are manufacturers of chemical silanes. So we are here to meet our customers and to develop new customers.
Okay. How's the competition right now?
It is tough. Actually, there are so much traders right now here. So we are also supplying the products here. So we have seen so much traders right now here, also exhibiting right here. So it's tough actually.
So right now the event was from 10 and it's like 3:36. You might have explored lots of things, right? Yeah. So any recommendations to your customers or to the audience of Expo Media and to other people that tomorrow is also exhibition? So you want to give any recommendation that you should visit for this purpose actually?
You should buy Silane from Silane from us, and we explore clients. We will come also tomorrow, and we'll find our competitor as well to learn things from them.
Can you please tell me your stall number?
We don't exhibit here.
We are not exhibiting.
Okay. So how they can contact you?
We can have a
You
card.
can visit our
You
site,
can
Lanya
visit us at
Chemicals.
Lanya
So
Chemicals.
guys, I'll do one thing. I'll just put the details on the description so you can definitely visit. Okay, anything else apart from this you wanted to tell to the customers?
It's very.
Use
It's already.
Silane. Silane is the future of all the industries, whether it is constructions, whether it is cosmetics, whether it is personal care
everything.
and everything.
Apart from the any one thing which attracts the most to you people, one by one.
Regarding the exhibition.
Exactly.
Yeah, about the new companies coming here and learning about new products also, because actually there are some products that we are not aware about, so that's very helpful for us also. We learn a lot about the new products.
Okay. For you, sir?
Yeah, for me the same. Actually, I'm exploring new things here and how my product goes in other industry as well.
I think you guys are very young. You are from 20 to 25, but
21.
oh my God! So I think we should learn from them. Any messages to your youngsters, friends, and to everybody, to teenagers especially?
Just go with the flow.
Oh, that is not the truth.
Sometimes you have to.
Okay. What you, ma'am?
Just work hard and just do whatever you want to do. It's not a pressure that you have to come in chemical sales only or something like this. Just do whatever you want.
So please, can you say to our subscribers that please like, share, and subscribe?
You should like, share, subscribe.
Please be a little bit louder.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you so much, guys. Can we have your card, please? Hello, ma'am. I just wanted to know for what purpose you are here.
Hi, I'm Neha. I am here to explore the market of Paint India. So let me give you a little background about me.
Okay.
I am basically from chemical distribution company,
Okay.
and we are already into paint industry. So here, my motto is trying to expand the business, and that's the reason I'm exploring this exhibition.
May I know what's your business name, by the way?
I belongs from a Indian Commercial Company Private Limited, and I came all the way from Mumbai.
That's great. So how you explored over here? What you loved over here?
Wow, it's really very good. All the big giants are here, all the big chemical manufacturer, and what I can say, distributor as well. And here I'm going to get a lot of connects, which I have already started. So I'm really enjoying this as an expansion business.
Ma'am, I just wanted to know one more thing. Have you been any of the exhibition before this, or this is your first time?
No, I have always attended the exhibition. For sure, this is Paint India for the first time, but I have always attended the personal care exhibitions. So this is not my first time.
Thank you so much for answering us.
Thank you.
Hi, Mausam.
Hello, hi.
So what's your experience right now in the exhibition?
I'm feeling very happy right now because it's our first exhibition, and the response is also really nice. And I'm really liking the place, the setup, the hospitality, everything is really nice.
Okay, so let's come to the business point, of course. So your name is Maurya Pigments, right? So what it stands for basically?
So Maurya is basically Mo is for Mausam and Rhea is for Arya. So Arya is my younger sister, so that's Maurya.
but you're running a business, right? And I think I have heard that you are running your father's business.
Yes, yes. So basically, in the whole business, me, my first cousin Ikshwako Dave, and my father. So we are running this whole. We have 4 to 5 companies. One in Maharashtra, Tarapur, and the others in Ahmedabad, Vatwa.
Okay, that's great enough. I just wanted to know more about the Moria Pigments, what exactly it is, and what you think, what you serve to your customers.
Okay, so basically we're manufacturers of phthalocyanine pigments, organic pigments. Majorly we produce blue and green. So blue 15-0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and green 7. And we do provide other pigments as well, chrome pigments, azo pigments, but we majorly focus on phthalocyanine.
Oh, that's great enough. If you wanted to recommend any one thing to your customers, what you will recommend that one thing from this exhibition and from your business point of view?
So for the exhibition part or for our business?
Your own.
Okay, I would recommend that coming to us would be very beneficial for everybody because we're the manufacturers and we can tailor we can tailor our products as per your customization. So that the quality wouldn't be an issue, the cost wouldn't be an issue because we manufacture our own products. So there are many benefits. I hope people reach out to us. I can explain more.
Of course. So I just wanted to know because people, deal with your huge people or huge number. So are you having any option that no, you can deal with any of the numbers?
No, we can deal with any of the numbers because the facility that we have in Mumbai, it is very large scale. It's a multi-facility where we produce each and every product that we have. And in Ahmedabad, it is diversified.
Can you please classify your products once again?
It is phthalocyanine blue, which includes 15-1, 15-0, 2, 3, 4, and green 7.
And you have your companies in Mumbai, right?
No, in Mumbai we have one, which is Nirbhay Organics, and in Ahmedabad we have the others.
Okay. So guys, I'll do one thing. I'll just put all the details on the description. 1 minute now. Just you can continue. You have to tell also that one thing that you told them that you're running your father's business because I want that line, the proud daughter and proud father. Okay. So, when I'll just do tough, then you have to do.
Okay. So I feel very happy coming here and being here because I am with my father today, and I've just started this from here, and I feel very, very happy that he can see me doing this. Maybe he's also happy that his little daughter is running this.
Proud daughter and proud father, actually. May I know what's your age?
I'm 25.
That's great enough, and I think we should definitely learn something from you. If you wanted to give any message to our youngsters and to our teenagers,
I would say that don't think that any field is something where you cannot do anything. If you start somewhere, you'll eventually learn things. And even if you're afraid, just take that risk.
I want to tell you one more thing, guys, that, in this field, females are very, very, very less. I'm right?
Yeah, very less.
I think I have met in the exhibition. This is the first girl, actually. She's the first one. And I have met the another one that is second. Actually, she was a visitor, basically. But you're the very first person. So I am actually proud of you also.
Thank you.
In the Expo Media.
Thank you
have
so
to tell
much.
our audience to like, share, and subscribe. So can you please be louder with me?
Please like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you so much. So, hi everyone, this is Reena, and you have seen just right now that we have explored lots of brands like IKA, Forces, Asian Paints, Mayur, and lots of many other options. So yes, you have to do only one thing. For coming over here at the exhibition, you have to register yourself while going in the website of Paint India 2025. And please, I would love to tell you that please explore this Paint India exhibition. You will really love lots of things over here. You will get lots of many options, and the special thing is IML. Because we know whenever we go for the exhibition, we get lots of information about paints, raw materials and anything, but we don't get information about the packaging. So I think here in this exhibition, we have an option for packaging also, that how we can pack our paints and how we can explore everything. So I think IML is the best option for that. Even the details are in the description, you can check it out. And please visit Paint India 2025. And for knowing all such information, you have to only do one thing. You have to like our channel, which is Expo Media. You have to share it and you have to subscribe it. So like, share and subscribe.